you could have gone like the pharmacology route, but you went the technology route. Like, why do you think you chose that way of approaching this?
I think that from my perspective, pharmacology can be great initially or to get someone kind of started, but I really think it's more of a Band-Aid than it is like a cure for something necessarily. I work a lot with anxiety. So I see a lot of like benzodiazepines and things like that, specifically.
Right.
And so from my perspective, I really think that, again, we have everything we need inside of us to heal and do the healing that we need to do. And so technologies are first and foremost a way to measure what's going on inside of us, our sleep, stress, strain, like all this kind of stuff. The number of people that come to me and say, I am anxious. I'm like, okay, talk to me about this. First of all, part of you is anxious. Second of all, how are you sleeping? Well, I sleep 3 or 4 hours a night. Got it. Okay. Well, how are you eating? Well, I eat pretty good at McDonald's. Like, are you eating like lots of sugar? Okay. Got it. Are you exercising? No, I don't exercise much. I was like, got it. Okay. So you're not really anxious. Your body budget's out of whack. And if they had a way to measure that, a lot of the time you can really you can do so much with regulating sleep, like exercise, sleep, nutrition, social connection, play, and stress reduction. Like, and that your nervous system sits in your body. And if your body becomes a toxic wasteland because your body budget's messed up, guess what? Your nervous system is sitting in a toxic wasteland. So that's kind of why I went the tech route.
Cody, I have to, because when I get goosebumps, I'm like, I have to share this because it's like you're becoming an expert on your own body, to believe in your own body instead of anything external.
100%.
Like how empowering, like the whole self, literally. I want all the tools.
Well, because all those tools are really just ways to gather better data about yourself, which is interesting in the context of couples counseling and of individual counseling, that, it's really an insight-based process. And I see where you're saying is like, I went into like, let's gather this freaking data about this complex machine that I filter through my consciousness.